Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'd like to give a shout out to Trill, Elijah, Gaza Uncle. As you can see, I'm changing out this panel. It's going to be a 100 amp, new 100 amp panel. My power is off. I'm ready to go. So into this video, you're going to be seeing how I remove my old panel and I reinstall my new panel. Basically, I start with my power circuits, disconnect everything from my breakers. So currently I'm waiting on an ESA inspection. So I only have a limited time to do this job. Try to get my panel out and reinstall my mains so I can get my service reconnected before 4 o'clock. And also remember to please hire a licensed electrical contractor to do your work. So this video is just for showing purposes. Please don't try this at home. And try to avoid the braiding of the grounds. It's a nuisance. It's not really allowed. And every time I come into these old panels, I always see it. Again, see these grounds, they're braided. So you see These grounds here are braided, so I have to twist them apart. Like I said, avoid doing this stuff. Also, this is not allowed. You're not allowed by code to have morets inside of your panel. This is a hazard. Okay, and that's it for my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.